Hey guys, this is your second Reteach video for your level 2.5 for the potential energy assessment. Okay, so here we have reactants on the left side and then products. So let's first focus on reactants. Reactants are our ingredients that we use during our elephant toothpaste, okay? So some of our ingredients were hydrogen peroxide, food coloring, dish soap, and then yeast. Yeast is what activated the chemical reaction and got it going. These reactants have a ton of potential energy in them, okay? Their molecules are arranged in a certain way that it has a ton of stored energy. If we look at this bar graph, potential energy, the dark bar, it's way more than kinetic energy, okay, which is our light gray. Remember, kinetic energy is moving energy, potential energy is stored energy. So these reactants have a ton of stored energy, okay? Now, when our chemical reaction occurs, energy is released, okay? And we know that energy is released by looking at these different evidence pieces. So here's all of the evidence pieces that we have. Heat is released, color change, smell change, light, or sound produced. Now another one on here that we witnessed or saw during our elephant toothpaste lab was foam or bubbles being formed. That is also another piece of evidence that a chemical reaction occurred. All right, so after that energy is released, we now have our products. This is like our end result. So before, our reactants with all that stored energy, a ton of potential energy, their molecules looked like this. They're arranged differently. And then when the chemical reaction occurred, it broke off those molecules, and now we just have two water molecules and then oxygen. So it's a completely different substance. Since these water molecules and oxygen molecules broke off from their normal hydrogen peroxide arrangement, think about it. Breaking off is a form of movement. They broke off, so that is kinetic energy. So take a look at this bar graph. You've got a ton of kinetic energy while your stored energy was already released during the chemical reaction. And we got heat, color, smell, light, sound, all those evidence pieces. So these products lost the potential energy and they have kinetic energy. Okay, I hope this helps. Good luck.